whenever you ready, dog.
Hey, what's up? What's up? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy Blue. I got on my shirt today. It's okay. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Blue. So check this out. Today we working on the C-10 right here. So check this out. We done got it ready for primer. We done he had a drip rail right here, and so we went back and filled all the holes in and everything, got it smoothed out, and we're gonna have to obviously blend into the door. So we had some work back here on the back of the bed that we had to fix, like right around here, right around that area. It was a little rough and everything, you know, but we went ahead and got it right along here. As you had this tailgate, when you open it up, it was catching right there. So it was a lot of build up right there. We evened that out down there. Had some cracking and everything going on around here, also around there as well. So went back, fixed all that. Got everything looking nice and neat on the outside of there. On the inside, ain't too much we can do about it because it's on the inside. So, of course, we had to blend the back of it, so we went ahead and sanded the rest of the truck, the rest of the bed of the truck, so we can get that right. And like I said, and also, we got to put paint up here anyway, so we're going to want to match it up to the bed. So, y'all about to see us match this bad boy off and get it ready for some paint.
Yeah, so my camera randomly cut off. Speaking of cutting, if you ever need your grass cut like this here, check out Gary over at Thunderbird Landscaping.